Okay, so only the after getting trial using MFN as a prime seller, and only then you need to send the product from MFN. After converting the product from MFN to FBA, we can send the products to FBA. And a very important aspect I have missed is that just like that you cannot send to FBA, but before sending to FBA, we need to take additional place of business that suppose if it is Tamil Nadu, right? So since we have two godowns in one in Chennai and one in Coimbatore, if you want to send products to both, you need to get additional place of business has to be entered into your GST portal. That is mandatory, and you need to include the additional place of business into the GST certificate. That is mandatory, and only if you there is a process in that we will explain in some other video. Actually, only after providing that GST certificate, only then you are eligible to send it to FBA, right? So additional place of business has to be registered legally. Only then you can send products to FBA. And how to send product to FBA is that you have to ensure that the box that you send should not exceed 70-45 centimeter, right? That is length into width into height. It can be either of, right? Either length into height into width, whatever it is, right? That should not exceed that particular limit. Similarly, the weight of the particular package that you send to FBA should not exceed 18 kg. It may vary, right? Plus or minus 1 or 2 kg, no problem. They will adjust, okay? And they will also, if